Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be kind of like a get it all done with me type of video. So I'm going to be doing some baking. I'm going to show you guys a super easy s'mores dip. That should be good. I haven't tried it yet, but I know it's gonna be good. And it looks very easy and simple. So I'm gonna show you guys that. I'm gonna give you a little grocery haul. And then I'm gonna do some cleaning as well. It's not actually too bad, so the cleaning shouldn't take me that long. But yeah, so I'm just hoping to give you just kind of like some homemaking motivation today. So if you're new here, make sure you click the red subscribe button down below and then click the bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. All right, we're gonna start off with the quick grocery haul. This is pretty self-explanatory. My oldest kid just needed some plain black shorts, so I just picked those up at Walmart for his track meet tomorrow. These were a really good deal if you've got kids. 50 piece, I got this from Sam's Club, $2.98. The only other thing I got from Sam's Club, I'll just show you right now, is this drizzled popcorn, 5 bags of this chocolate devotion, and then 5 bags of this cake batter popcorn. So I think this would be really good. It was like a limited, I don't know what you want to call it, limited edition, I guess, popcorn for $9.99 at Sam's. Just some tissue because we were running out. These right here, I got these, this, and this I got from Burlington. So they both needed some kind of shoes, track shoes or whatever to wear for tomorrow. And so I went through a few different stores. They were hard to find for some reason, but I ended up getting these for my oldest kid. These were only $10, so I was like, wow, that's a steal. And then I couldn't find my younger one track shoes. I think my husband's gonna go to Shields later and see if he can actually find track shoes, but I just found these for now. These were $19.99, so not bad at all. And I just figure since they have like these like little grippy things that, you know, hopefully it'll work. So that's that. These, yeah, I already ate some. My absolute favorite. I put this, let me tell you, the Smart Pop white cheddar popcorn. If you have never like tried that with this, like mix them together and eat them, let me tell you, everything. These are really good. All right, so I can't remember if I told you guys we're having movie night tonight. If I did, sorry, that would be a repeat. But when we have movie night, we usually try to do like popcorn and some kind of, you know, like little sweet treat. So that's why I'm gonna make that s'mores dip. And then I bought these little sweet tart ropes. I don't know how many, maybe 7 or so in there. And then I'm just gonna give them like 1 each. And then this is mine. I love turtles. And this is my oldest kid candy because this, he has braces, he's not supposed to have this, so. And then just some oatmeal. I just got some cheese, sliced cheese, flushable wipes, because if you know, you know. This is for the s'mores dip. These marshmallows are for the s'mores dip. S'mores dip. And then there should be some chocolate around here somewhere. I don't know. These, the kids really like these for little snacks. Got some limeade, some cranberry strawberry. Okay, white cran strawberry. Let me tell you. So, okay, go ahead. And he's of course trying to get one right now. But anyway, this right here, if you like Starbucks, like pink drink, I do a little like DIY pink drink where I mix almond milk, a little bit of this juice, and some ice and water, and you know, put it in a cup, and bam, Starbucks pink drink at home for a fraction of the cost. And you can make this over and over and over. My nails look terrible, but this is paint. I've been painting. I'm gonna tell you the painting story in a minute. It's been a whole deal. But Okay, this heavy whipping cream, I'm making some creamy Tuscan salmon with some pasta. If you want to see that recipe, let me know. I can definitely make it for you guys because it is absolutely phenomenal. Just some of that raspberry lemonade, sun-dried tomatoes that will go inside of the like creamy pasta salmon dish that I'm making. And I think I'm gonna probably make chicken, so it'll be like kind of chicken, creamy, whatever pasta for the kids. And then this is for my husband and I. So just some body wash, lotion. I really like this lotion because it gives your skin a shine to it. Not just, you know how some lotions you put it on and it's kind of like watery, it don't do anything for your skin. Not this. This one works really good. Just some little hand soaps. This, one of my favorite snacks, Sargento Balance Breaks. These 180, oh, there we go, 180 calories if it will focus. Oh well, 180 calories, and it has some cheese, a little like chocolate chunks, raspberry flavored dried cranberries, and little graham crackers. Just some toothpaste, some bread. This is that little salmon. We'll just like cut it in half for us for one day. Spinach, that goes also in the little creamy pasta dish. This Chobani Flips.
I love them.
I love them too. 8 of them. I love all these flavors. My favorite one is probably that one or the strawberry cheesecake, but
What?
just some little butter popcorn,
The Oreo?
some eggs, and that's it. And would you believe just the stuff from Walmart was like $170? It's crazy. Anyway, I'm getting ready to turn the camera back around so I can, oh, and I got 3 home run in pizzas that I'm gonna just pop in the oven for tonight. I'm trying to do something super fast. And what else did I get that was frozen? Some chicken patties that I'm working this weekend. So I've told you guys before, when I'm working, I just try to make, like, have something that my husband can make super quick or something that I can throw in before I go in, you know, throw in the oven or air fryer, whatever, before I go into work. So that is that. Okay, I'm gonna turn you guys around. I'm gonna turn you guys around real quick so I can give you the download, the tea about what has been my headache for the past, I don't know, 4 days at least. This pain situation. Okay, I totally lied. I forgot I had 4 things. I found the chocolate and it was kind of melted, so I put it in the refrigerator already. But this right here, they've never had those, but I'm pretty sure they'll like them. And then this is that little penne pasta I told you I'm going to be making. And then these oatmeal squares, brown sugar. I actually bought these for myself, but I know they'll eat them too. But I don't even need milk with these. These are like super good. I just eat them as snacks. So that's it. So let me tell you the little tea on this paint here. So I have been trying to like decorate my daughter's room for the past month, probably, realistically. And this is just real life. I'm just, you know, letting you know what's going on right now. But I've been trying to decorate that room for like probably the past month or so. Originally, you guys will see the video at some point. I know I'll finish it, but the walls were kind of like yellow, beigey, and then it had some super like 1970s wallpaper border at the top. The wallpaper, first of all, to take that down, it took me a very, very, very long time. I had no idea how hard wallpaper was to remove until I started working in there. I finally got all that down. I had to then wash all the walls and all of that. There was a lot of sticky residue underneath the wallpaper, but I got all of that done. So then I'm like, okay, cool, I'm ready to paint. Well, like I said, let me show you this. This is from Walmart, Color Place. It says paint and primer, ready to use, pre-mix, cloud motif gray, semi-gloss paint. So I got like a quarter of a way through the first can and it was super chunky. You guys will see in the video whenever I get it up. I'll show you guys when I'm like trying to stir it and stuff. It was super chunky, so I could only do a little bit of that. So I ended up returning that and I'm like, okay, it's probably just, you know, one of those things. I'm sure it won't happen again. Second can was the one I started painting with yesterday, I think. And same thing. It was, I would say maybe a quarter of the way chunky. So then I'm like, oh my gosh, so I couldn't finish that. So then I took that can back today and I told them, I was like, this is the third can now that I'm trying to buy. I don't understand, is the paint old? Like, what's going on? Because you know, like, they will shake it there for you in their little machine, but they don't usually open it, or they didn't open it. And so this time I talked to the manager and I was like, can you open it? Because I want to make sure, like, I'm trying to get this done and I'm not trying to bring it back and do that same thing over again. So he said, yeah, sure. So I went back there, they did it, they opened it up, chunk, chunk. Second can, chunk, chunk. Third can, chunk, chunk. So at this point, I'm like, am I just like completely just out? Like out of luck? Am I messed up or what? Because then I'm like, okay, I can go somewhere else, but then I'm gonna have to paint over what I've already painted and all that stuff. And by the way, I had texted my mama all this stuff and she was like, girl, you don't buy, you know, paint from Walmart. So then I was like, I know, but I was like trying to be cheap about it, you know, blah, blah, blah. But anyway, so I say all of that to say, this time I was there when he mixed this up. He opened up the can, did all of that, and it was smooth. So, hoping and praying that this can will do the trick and I can be done. And I don't ever want to paint again. Like I've only painted one, well, I didn't really do it. My husband actually did it. This was like years and years and years ago when our 6-year-old daughter, Shanti, when she was a newborn, we painted her room. Well, I should say he painted her room. But I didn't feel like it was that difficult, or at least not by my observation. I don't know. Anyway, yeah, I don't know when that video will go out. I'm hoping, I won't even say. I don't know when it'll go out. But when it goes out, I'll be sure to let you know. Okay, so that's all I have for the grocery portion of the video. I am going to probably start cleaning up a little bit. And then of course, like I said, I'm gonna show you the s'mores dip recipe. So I've still got some more homemaking motivation for you, so don't go away. So I hope you enjoyed that grocery haul there. But next we need to clean off this stove area so that we can get started on our s'mores dip. Alright, so in order to make the s'mores dip, you need a cast iron skillet, and then you just kind of lay out the little chocolate bars in the bottom of it. I started trying to do it like super nice and neat, and then I was like, okay, whatever, it's all gonna melt anyway. So just make sure you know you put a layer of chocolate down. One thing I will say is, if you guys remember earlier, I was saying I couldn't find the chocolate. Well, I ended up finding the chocolate, but it was like melted. So I ended up having to put it in the refrigerator. So of course it was not like perfect bars anymore. So I ended up having to like chop them up and fill in the spaces. So it's really not a big deal. It all worked out. The funny thing is when I bought the other bar of chocolate, it said large bars or something like that. But I thought they meant just the large bar in general, but they meant the actual squares were larger. Either way, it all worked out. But so then you put the little layer of that at the bottom, and then you put the layer of marshmallows on top, and then you just bake it in the oven. Like, how easy is that? And then afterwards, that's when you will like serve it with your like graham crackers and stuff. I'm not looking for revenge. I don't need you to be my and I cooked mine on a 400-degree oven for about 10 minutes. But you know, towards the end, make sure you watch it closely so that those marshmallows don't burn. It was absolutely delicious, and you definitely need to make this. Closer, if you haven't picked it up, it's over. You wanted her, so just give me what I deserve. So can I get some closure? Stay right where you are. All right, this is a little mom hack. I'm gonna put 4 names in here. I'm leaving out Farouk because he chose the movie last week. So I put the names in here. I'm gonna shake it up. And I'm gonna look up Sanaya. You're lucky that I don't want revenge. So can I get some closure? Stay right where you are and don't come closer. If you haven't picked it up, it's over. You wanted her, so just give me what I deserve. So can I get some closure? Stay right where you are and don't come closer. If you haven't picked it up, it's over. Run back to her, cause I got what I want, closure. Okay, so I'm done with our little little snack here, movie night snack. This is super cute. I bought these little containers from Amazon a while back. They usually take these to school for like lunch or whatever, but just their little bag of individual popcorn, the graham crackers for the s'mores dip, and then these little few pieces of candy over here. So make sure you make this s'mores dip. It's super delicious. It tastes, you know, just like a s'more, but just a different way, a different spin. Very easy to do. So if you make it, make sure you tag me over on Instagram at Just Marie Homemade.
Was praying for possibilities. Lately got the best of me. Yeah.
Alright, so I think I said at the beginning of this video that it wasn't going to take me too long to clean, but it definitely took me way longer than I wanted it to take. But, you know, it's okay. I got it all done. I hope you guys make the s'mores dip. It was super easy and delicious. And then I also hope you guys use some of the mom hacks I gave you throughout the video. You know, if you have multiple children, putting their name in a little bag and then choosing, and then that way, you know, nobody can say, oh, it says he had it twice, you know, that kind of thing. You just keep on going. And then, you know, you will remove that name from the bag starting the following week. So that way nobody gets, you know, chosen twice before everybody gets a turn. And then use, you know, the little containers that I got. I got those from Amazon. Like I said, I usually use them for lunches, but it works really well for like movie night snacks.
Praying for possibilities. Lately you got the best of me. Yeah, yeah. We're running out of space between good and bad. Running out of words to apologize. Nothing left to say between you and I. You and I.
Okay, by this time, as you can see out that window, it's getting dark. So I have been doing stuff for hours now. Luckily, I'm able to condense it all into a 19-minute video. As you can see, we're almost about done with the video. But I'm sweeping now to get the, you know, last few crumbs and stuff up off the floor. I'm on the phone talking to my husband. I think I sent him to the store to look at something or to get something. And he always calls me while he's at the store, and we'll stay on the phone until he leaves. What about you guys, like significant other, husband or whatever? Do they do that too? Well, that is a wrap, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you're new here, I hope you consider subscribing. And if you enjoyed this kind of video, let me know down in the comments. Also, if you end up making that s'mores dip, let me know. And you can also tag me over on Instagram. All right, I'll see you guys back here soon in a new video. Bye.